Wow, that is beautiful. Hey guys, how's it going? Dan here from Hemptech, and today is a very exciting day because it's new phone day. And if you love tech, that is a very exciting day. Doesn't get much better. This is the phone that I'm going to be opening today. It's the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now I know there's a lot of videos on this already. I'm a little bit late to the party, so what I'm going to be focusing on specifically is the case. I'm going to be comparing it to my iPhone XS Max and the case that I've been using with that. Now, before we get started, I want to show you something that really upsets me. Right here on my phone. Let me show you a close-up of that so you can see. I've had this phone for 2 years and it is in mint condition except for one little bit, and it's this tiny little crack here. As you can imagine, I'm livid, and it's all because iPhone cases have always had this little gap here. This is the leather case. Again, 2 years I've had this, and I'd say it's held up pretty well, but it has these gaps. And I know there's other cases out there, but I like to have Apple cases. My original order was actually a gold one of these until I realized the back was actually a cream color, because I thought a gold phone with the new clear case that's got the little white bit at the back, which I'll show you on screen now, would be really cool. But then I realized it has this cutaway, and for the first time ever, Apple's new cases actually don't. So I'm really excited to get this unboxed as well as this, try it on and compare it. Wow, that is beautiful. Now, going from the XS Max, it is so different. This is also going to be quite a common upgrade because quite a few people have a 24-month contract. So 2 years ago, the newest phone was the XS Max. Let's just take the screen protector off. Wow, that is absolutely beautiful. You'll see it's in a thinner box because they don't have a charger with it anymore, because they're saving the planet / saving money. The thing for me that's rather annoying is it's actually a USB-C to Lightning connector, which most people won't have, so I'm actually never going to use that cable unless I'm charging from my MacBook. Wow, that looks beautiful. So let's just compare it side by side. Going from the XS Max, there really is a big difference here in screen. While we wait, let's open the case. This is the bit I'm really looking forward to. I want to feel what it's like to put the MagSafe case on. So here it is in Cyprus green. For me, the best color combo, the space gray with the Cyprus green. It's not as khaki as it actually looks on the website. Now I'm looking at it. I'm wearing a khaki jumper at the moment, or olive green, whatever you want to call it. It's actually quite dark. This is it compared to the green leather case of the XS Max. And you can see the MagSafe circle there. Now look, this is actually a magnet that I've stuck in my case to put it onto a phone mount in the car. This already comes with it, so if you guys want to see me unbox and review some accessories for the phone, for example, Bell can make a magnetic car mount for this. So if you'd like to see that, just leave me a comment below. Okay. Moment of truth. Here we go. That is gorgeous. Look, finally. The bottom is safe. I don't know why Apple didn't do it sooner, to be honest, because it looks so much cleaner. So here we go. This is what I wanted to see. Both cases on, comparison. Look at the size of that phone, it is absolutely massive. Look how much real estate is being taken up by the back of the phone by the cameras. If you've got an 11, then it's not going to be a big deal or much of a difference, but if you're going from an XS Max like me, look at that. Wow, that is awesome. I can't tell you how much better it feels knowing that the bottom of the phone is now safe and it's in an Apple case. So guys, that was kind of the main point of the video today. It was just comparing the MagSafe case compared to the old Apple cases. If you'd like to see more content on the two phones, maybe a comparison video of the cameras, then leave me a comment below. So that's it for the end of the video, guys. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!